Hours worked aren't the only entries in timekeeping. You will also need to manage time-off requests. So let's explore the time-off management options in TimeClock Plus. Let's return to our Manager dashboard and focus on the Pending Time-Off Requests widget. In the dashboard screen, the Pending Time-Off Requests widget will list associates you have access to who have requested time off. You have a few options for how to process these requests. The first option is to approve or deny the request directly from the dashboard screen. Each request has two icons to its right. The red X is used to deny a time-off request, and the green check mark is used to approve a time-off request. Review the request information, like the date and hours used, then select one of these options. The dashboard widget provides one-click processing for pending time-off requests. If the request is approved, a shift is automatically added to the associate's time card. You can also select Jump to Request Manager for more processing options. The Request Manager shows you all time-off requests submitted by your associates through TimeClock Plus. You can choose a calendar view or list view using the tabs in the upper left. You can also choose to view all the requests or narrow it down to only pending, denied, or approved requests using the status button. Pending and denied requests are not shown on the associate's time card. They must be viewed in the Request Manager. We'll begin in Calendar View. To edit a request, double-click the request entry. This opens the Employee Request Detail, which provides information about the request. If you need to review the associate's balance before editing the time-off request, select View Accruals. This will display the associate's current balance. It also displays the accrual history information. From the Employee Request Detail, select Edit to open the Edit Employee Request dialog. In the dialog, you can view the date requested, the total hours requested, and the leave code requested. Click into the field that needs to be updated and provide the new information. When the changes are complete, select OK to apply the changes to the request. Note that the request detail has been updated to reflect the changes. Select Save in the Employee Request Detail to save the request. This will update the associate's time-off request, but it does not approve the request. It is still in pending status. You must approve the request to update the associate's time card. To approve the request in this screen, right-click and select Approve Request. Now that the request is approved, it is removed from our Pending Requests view. If you have many pending requests, you may want to complete a group approval. You can do this from the List view in the Request Manager. In the List view, select the requests you wish to approve. You may also use the Select All box in the headers to choose all requests. Then select Manage and choose Approve Requests to add time-off entries to the associate's time card. Once the time off is added to the associate's time card, you can edit the time off shift in hours. This is used if you need to view the request in relation to the rest of the associate's time card. Time off that is imported from NICE will be added directly to the time card and can be edited using this process. Select Hours from your top menu bar. In this example, we'll be working in individual hours. Navigate to the associate you need to edit. When the time card opens, find the appropriate shift. Time off shifts can be identified using the job code column. We want to bring Nicole to 20 hours for the week, so we'll edit the 10/26 ETO shift. Double-click to open. This opens the Edit Segment dialog. In the dialog, you can view the date and time in, but note there is no timeout information. This is because timesheet entry is selected. This allows us to enter just the in time and total hours. Click into the hours field to update the amount of time off taken. Verify that the appropriate job code is being used. This should be ETO or floating holiday. Imported time from NICE will default to ETO. Update to floating holiday if needed. When the segment information is correct, select Save. This will update the associate's time card. Nicole now has 20 hours for the week. Review and approve this shift as part of your time card approval processing. One very important note: requests that result in a negative balance cannot be entered in TimeClock Plus. You will receive this error if the time off entry will result in a negative balance. If you are allowing your associate to enter a negative accrual balance, please submit the time off request directly to People Services for processing. Email peopleservices@nelnet.net and provide the employee ID, name, time off date, time off hours, and time off type. People Services will complete the payroll processing.